An essential oil is a concentrated hydrophobic liquid containing volatile chemical compounds from plants. An essential oil is essential in the sense that it contains the essence of the plant's fragrance, the characteristic fragrance of the plant from which it is derived. When we peel an orange, walk through a rose garden, or rub a sprig of lavender between our fingers, we are all aware of the special scent of that plant. But what exactly is it that we can smell? It is essential oils which give spices and herbs their specific scent and flavor, flowers and fruit their perfume. Aromatic plants and oils have been used for thousands of years as incense, perfumes and cosmetics, and for their medical and culinary applications. In the ancient civilizations, their ritual use constituted an integral part of the tradition in most early cultures, where their religious and therapeutic roles became inextricably intertwined. This type of practice is still in evidence. For example, in the East, sprigs of juniper are burnt in Tibetan temples as a form of purification. In the West, frankincense is used during the Roman Catholic Mass. The Vedic literature of India, dating from around 2000 BC, lists over 700 substances including cinnamon, spikenard, ginger, myrrh, coriander and sandalwood. But aromatics were considered to be more than just perfumes. Throughout the Renaissance period, aromatic materials filled with the pharmacopoeia, which for many centuries remained the main protection against epidemics. Over the next few centuries, the medicinal properties and applications of increasing number of new essential oils were analyzed and recorded by the pharmacists. The term aromatherapy was first coined in 1928 by Gattefossé, a French chemist working in his family's perfumer business. He became fascinated with the therapeutic possibilities of the oils after discovering by accident that lavender was able to rapidly heal a severe burn on his hand and help prevent scarring. Although essential oils are produced by different methods such as solvent extraction, expression, and fluid extraction, most are produced by steam distillation. The proportion of different essential oils extracted by steam distillation is 93% and the remaining 7% is extracted by other methods. Some of the most commonly used essential oils are lavender oil, tea tree oil, lemon oil, peppermint oil, eucalyptus oil, lemongrass oil, and orange oil. Essential oils can be used in aromatherapy, a kind of complementary medicine that uses smell to improve health or applied topically to the skin. Some of the health benefits are: it can boost your mood, it can reduce anxiety, it can reduce headache, acne, and it can improve your gut health. Safety precautions. Always check with specific safety data before using an oil, especially with regard to the toxicity levels, phototoxicity, dermal irritation, and sensitization.